Hello student, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We meet again now. We're talking about can do, yeah. This is new books and we got from SMP Muhammadiyah Plus. This is table of content we will talk about in this video is about new friends and the grammar is uh like plus noun or gerund vocabulary in computers describing personality. The communication is about meet new people, describe my friends, read a computer profile, write a personal profile, and this is improving social awareness, attitude. Okay, I hope we can finish the material in a nice way. Students, I will explain about the material in brief. You recheck again by yourself and do the exercises in the link I give to you. In the link I give to you, and we'll find out how you understand about the material. Okay, in here we have reading. There is a website capture. Look at the website and answer the question. Okay, this is website. You know website, okay. What is the website about in here? Okay, this is about a school, Edinburgh, www.edinburghhigh.com. Who is it for? Okay. Welcome to the www.edinburghhigh.com. Welcome. Is this your first day at school? Okay, students, if you want to fluent your English, you can repeat after me. Pay attention how I read the sentences. Is this your first day at school? Click on the information options to find out more about Edinburgh High. News. Our website is 10 years old today and has got 3 new reporters, Rob, Greg, and Linda. Find out more about them by clicking on the photos below. Okay. I think there is no difficult vocabulary in here, Okay, and it's very simple. Try to answer the question, below. Answer the questions. How old is the website? How old is it? Okay, you will do it in the link that I give, How old is the website? Who is new at the school website? Who is new at the school website? You can find new people. Who is new? What is the email address? The email address. Where is the email address? You can check in the book. You can find that in the book. Maybe about in here. Okay, what is the email? You can find out. Try. There. Find out, okay. What services does the website offer? What services? You can find out where. What services? The website. We have many services in here. Try to write in the link that I give you. What services? Okay. What do these phrases mean? What do these phrases mean? find out more about us, click on the photos, let us know, send us an email. Yeah. I don't ask you about the translation in Bahasa Indonesia, yeah. But when you read these phrases, yeah, what does it mean? Yeah. What will you do about it? Yeah. If you find out more about us, what does it mean? Click on the photos. What does it mean? Yeah. Let us know. What does it mean? Send us an email. What does it mean? For example, find out more about us. Itu kan in bahasa Indonesia, ya, temukan hal lebih tentang kami, ya. Temukan hal lebih tentang kami. Berarti what does it mean? Ya. Find out more about us, ya. Itu means that if the readers want to know more about Edinburgh High, yeah, so the reader should click on the information options. That means. So it means that click on the photos. What does it mean? Yeah, try to answer that. Now we have vocabulary computer. Which of these words are not related to computers? Okay, nice, yeah. Mouse, hard drive, click, speaker, monitor, link, keyboard, memory, color, lens, program, cable, software, icon, yeah. Which of these words are not related to computers? Find out. I think you can know the meaning of this, yeah, by asking in Google Translate, yeah. Number 5. How many more words related to computers can you add in 1 minute? Yeah, how many more words related to computers can you add in 1 minute? By giving more words. Find out. Okay. In this, unjumble the dialogue. Let me introduce you to Rob. Rob, this is Linda. Hello, my name is Greg. Nice to meet you. Hi, Rob. Hi, Greg. I'm Linda. Nice to meet you too. Hi, Linda. This is unjumbled dialogue. Yeah, it's not in a good order. Try to arrange the dialogue in a good order. Yeah. Okay. Let me introduce you to Rob. Rob, this is Linda. Hello, my name's Greg. Nice to meet you. Hi Rob, hi Greg, I'm Linda. Nice to meet you too. Hi Linda. Okay. Inshallah in Google form, I will give you how to answer this and you should do it. Yeah. What questions do you ask to complete the card? We have a name card here and Edinburgh High Computer Club. There is name, from, address, age, email. Yeah. what you have to do is you have to make questions in order to answer this card. Yeah, you have to make question. For example, there is name. So make a question. What is your name? Okay. Try to make questions for the others. Okay. And reading, yeah. In reading, how do you communicate with your friend? Yeah. You can choose more than one, face-to-face, by phone, by mail, by email, by webcam, okay. Or maybe others, by VR, okay. Read the first part of the article, how does VIP communicate? Yeah, okay. There is, nowadays, new technology means we can talk face-to-face using webcams on our computers. We talked to Vic about his webcam friend. So, the answer of number 2 is, how does Vic communicate? Okay, right answer. Okay, good. Your answer is correct. Yeah, Vic communicates by his webcam. Yeah, or maybe he use webcams to communicate with his friend. Okay, there is a reading text there. I love talking to my friends by webcam. It's really easy and great fun. Okay, and then correct the sentences number 3. Okay, is it correct based on the reading in the left side of this page? I love talking to my friends by webcam. It's really easy and great fun. I've got webcam friends all around the world. My best mates are Ulrika and Cheng. Cheng is from China. We like the same things, football and computers, but we look very different. I've got a thin face, long brown hair, and blue eyes. He's got a round face, short dark hair, and dark eyes. Another webcam friend is Ulrika. She's from Sweden. She's got a lovely smile and her English is brilliant. We talk about music and fashion. She's really clever too. She helps me with my homework. I think I'm going to ask her to be my girlfriend. Okay. Try to understand that, and is the sentence correct? Yeah, correct the sentence. Vic has got a round face. Is it correct based on the sentence? Yeah. He said that, you can find. Yeah, I've got blah 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 face. Try to correct the sentence. Cheng has got a long blonde hair. Is it correct? If it's not correct, correct the sentence. Ulrika has got an unfriendly expression, and this is not very intelligent. Try to correct the sentence. Okay, language in use is part of speech, yeah. I'll make it through very simple, so you will have more time to do the exercise. Label the part of the sentence, yeah. There is noun, verb, adjective, article, pronoun. Chang is great. What is Chang? Chang, noun, verb, adjective, article, or pronoun. Maybe you don't understand. I will explain it in simple way in bahasa Indonesia. Noun is kata benda. Jadi menunjukkan benda, ya. Noun itu bisa benda terlihat atau tak terlihat, tapi fungsinya ini sebagai noun. Biasanya berfungsi sebagai di depan atau belakang kalimat. Di depan kata kerja, di belakang kata kerja. Kata kerja adalah, ya gampang ya. Kata kerja menyatakan pekerjaan, bisa juga yang is, am, are, to be termasuk kata kerja. Adjektif itu kata sifat. Kata sifat itu adalah kata yang menjelaskan kata benda. Ya, misalnya the book is expensive. Buku itu mahal. Mahal menjelaskan buku, berarti mahal ini adalah adjektif. Coba cari. Artikel itu apa? Artikel itu huruf-huruf, misalnya en, ya, the, ya bisa tuh. Pronoun itu kata ganti, misalnya he, she, it, you, we, they. Lah, coba Chang is great. Chang itu apa? Is itu apa? Great itu apa? He is a good writer. Itu apa? Is itu apa? Apa? Good apa? Writer apa? Oke. Try to find it. Unjumble the sentence. Number 5, there are 6 sentences which is jumbled. Jumbled itu berantakan, tidak beraturan. Try to unjumble the sentence. Arrange the sentence in a good way. Is friendly, merry, very. Nah, what is the good sentence? A she person is friendly. God has beautiful she eyes. Are her beautiful eyes? He black God hair has. Black is his hair. Okay, try to find. Vocabulary describing personality. Listen and repeat these words. Okay, repeat after me, students. Friendly, kind, attractive, intelligent, fit, musical, aesthetic, independent, practical, handsome, loyal, easygoing, shy. Okay, repeat again and find the meaning if you don't understand. Yeah. Choose two words which describe you. Try to find from this sentence these words in number 6. Choose which words describe you. For example, I think I am intelligent and friendly. Okay, try to find. How to know? Find the meaning. Okay. Next. There is a rule in the verbs like dislike, love, and hate can be followed by verb ing, noun, and verb ing, noun. Verb ing, noun okay, gerund or gerund. For example, in here, write sentences about Vic, Chang, and Ulrika. Talking about football, Vic ada jempol 2, 2 thumbs, Chang 2 thumbs, Ulrika 2 thumbs down. So maybe you can make sentence. Vic loves talking about football. Vic loves. He hates what? Vic, he hates maths and fast food. Try to make that. I have give you example with Vic. Vic loves talking about football. He hates maths and fast food. Now try to make another sentence with Chang, and Ulrika. Okay. After that, describe about your friends. Choose one of your friends. You can know. Describe about your friends. What's your name? About her. Maybe you can find in simple way. Okay, this is a computer profile. There is read the student's website, tick the information the teenagers include. Surname Linda Rob. What is his surname? Family name Linda and Rob. Okay, for example, Linda Hamilton. Hi, my name's Linda and I'm Canadian. I come from Toronto. I'm 14 years old. I'm tall and slim. I've got brown hair and brown eyes. I like being with other people. My friends say that I'm very friendly. I'm a friendly person. That I've got a good sense of humor. I love animals. I've got 2 dogs and a cat at home. I also love music and fashion, but I don't like sports. I'm interested in computers and I really like surfing the net. I don't like listening to conversations about football. Okay, try to take the information of the teenagers include. Do you have what's your name? Do you have family name? Yes. Okay. There's Rob and also Rob. Family, interest. Oh, not family name. Sorry, family. Is there any information there? Address. Do you have address in Rob and Linda? Nationality, physical description. Just tick. Hanya dicentang di tabel atas ya. Nice ya. Transfer the information to the table. For example, name Linda. Age-nya, how old she is. Description about her, the physical description, description. Likes, what does she like? Dislikes, what does she not like? What does she dislike? Dislike itu tidak suka ya. And other information and also about Rob in here. Try to find or to write Okay, the last page of our discussion in here today is page 8. Can you write a personal profile? Read the sentences and complete the rules. I like walking and climbing. I also like canoeing. Saya suka berjalan dan mendaki. Saya juga suka main kano. Naik kano olahraga itu, kapal kecil di sungai itu. Canoeing. I love Italian food. I like hamburgers too. I love outdoor activities, but I don't like playing rugby. I don't like swimming or surfing. Read the sentence So, we use blah 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 to join 2 words or ideas. We use apa? Kira-kira jawabannya? We use apa? And We use and. Kita gunakan dan untuk menggabungkan 2 kata atau 2 ide. We use blah 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 or blah blah to take another idea. Untuk menambah ide yang lain kita gunakan apa? Also or to. Also sama to itu untuk menyatakan ide lain. Bla 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 usually before the verb, biasanya sebelum kata kerja. Itu apa? I also like. Also biasanya sebelum kata kerja. Sedangkan to goes at the end of the sentence. To itu di akhir kalimat. We use bla 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 to contrast 2 idea. Kita gunakan titik-titik untuk mengkontraskan 2 ide. Apa kira-kira? Oke, but itu untuk menyatakan hal yang bertentangan. We use bla 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 to join words in a list when the verb is negative. Kita biasanya menggunakan itu untuk menyatakan kata di daftar ketika kata itu negatif. Apa itu? Apa? We use to join words in a list when the verb is in negative. Not. Ya, not atau or. In a list when the verb is negatif. Nah, di sini untuk kalimatnya adalah or, ya. Tapi sometimes ya kita gunakan and untuk negatif. Tapi ini yang teori ini menggunakan or. Oke, it's okay. Complete the text about Greg. Ya, complete the text tentang Greg ini. My name's Greg and I come from Durham in the north of England. My hobbies are computers, blah blah blah, playing chess. Kira-kira isinya apa? But, and, also, to, atau or. I blah 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 like watching films, blah blah blah. Oke. Gunakan but, and, also, to, atau or. Oke, insyaallah I will give you the Google link to do this. Ya, try to learn again. Ya, in a very simple way. If you don't understand, please ask me. Ya, I will, insyaallah I will describe to you. Okay, students, see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.